Mahi and welcome back to my channel Mahi's Food Magic, and today we are going to make rose malai cake, which would be no oven cake. So let's get started. Making rose malai cake, we need the ingredients: 1 cup maida, half a cup of caster sugar. If you do not have caster sugar, take half a cup of sugar, normal sugar, and grind one time in mixer. Vanilla essence, rose essence, 3 tablespoons rose syrup, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon baking soda, and 80 grams of butter, and milk, half a cup of milk. First we will make the base of the cake. For that we need butter. If you do not have butter, you can also take 1/4 cup of oil. Just beat it once. You can do this process with beater also. Then we will add sugar to it. Mix it well. I have beaten this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. It becomes so fluffy and soft. Now we will add rose syrup to it. 2 tablespoons rose syrup. Mix it well. See how nice color it brings. Mix it in only one direction. Now we will add milk to it. Little bit of milk. Here I have taken half a cup of milk. Now I am taking maida in one bowl, baking powder, baking soda, and mix it proper well. And put this maida mixture into the rose mixture. Mix it well. Add a little bit at a time. Whisk it proper. Now add a little bit of milk to it. Whisk well. Mix all the things properly. I have added all the maida to the mixture. Now the last ingredient is essence. Few drops of essence, rose essence and vanilla essence. Now mix it properly. I have already greased the mold with maida and preheated a cooker. I have not applied the vessel and a gasket to it. Now pour our cake mixture to the mold. You can take any shape of mold. You can also apply the butter paper to it. Pour all the mixture to the vessel. Just tap it once. You can also keep this in the oven 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and I'm making in cooker, so you can make it for 25 minutes. It will be ready in 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Kept it in a cooker. Now close it. 5 to 30 minutes. You can check that once. Just take a toothpick and insert into it. You can check it also. Bake. I will show you how to make rabdi. For making rabdi, we need the ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons rose syrup, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons milk powder, and few drops of rose essence. If you want to use condensed milk, you can use 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk. So let's see how to make rabdi. On the gas and add 1 cup of milk to it. Let it come to a boil. I have added milk to the milk powder and mix it well. There should be no lumps. Our milk had came to a boil. Now add this mixture to it and stir it continuously. All the milk powder mixture to the milk and stir it continuously. It has become thick. Now we will add sugar to it and mix it continuously. Let the sugar melt completely. Now we will add the rose syrup to it. Mix well. It is looking so beautiful, light baby pink color. Rabdi has become thick. Now we will off the flame and let it cool. Let it come to the room temperature. Our cake has now cooled down. Now it's time to demolding. It's so spongy. Looking so spongy and moist. Now it's time for the decoration. I have taken here almonds and kaju. Sprinkle it. Rose petals. Yummy, looking so yummy. Or rabdi. It became thick now. Just pour it. Our dish is ready. Some almonds. Now it's time for my favorite thing, tasting. Yummy. If you like my recipe, please like, share and comment down below what should be the next recipe. If you not subscribe my channel yet, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Bye bye.